Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Nooie Outdoor Security Camera System. It's a 1080p night vision inclusive surveillance camera system. You will need for that to communicate with that a 2.4G Wi-Fi. But, okay, if you have a 5G Wi-Fi, no problem, because every 5G router can handle the 2.42. No problem. But if you make a setup by your Wi-Fi connection with that Nooie Outdoor Security Camera, you have to choose your 2.4G Wi-Fi, okay? It is IP66 waterproof, so you can attach it outdoor and indoor. We have a two-way audio system, a motion detection, activity alert, deterrent alarm, and it works with Alexa. So you can make a voice assist easily, or you use the app. Sleek, low-profile design, and easy setup. The camera and the app are easy to install, simple to control, and the breeze to maintain. Compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. We have to download the Nooie App, Nooie, from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And it works with Alexa, of course. 1080p HD plus superior night vision. 1080p HD camera lens and 12 infrared LEDs, light emitted diodes, 850 nm. The night vision is possible up to 49 feet, that's 15 meters, in pitch black. It rotates 360 degrees horizontally and 80 degrees vertically to provide a 107 degrees field of view and give full protection to our home or business area. And it's IP66 rating weatherproof plus UV resistance. Top quality materials provide all seasons, all weather surveillance, and motion and sound detection, and of course 2 audio way alert. Live streaming 24/7 with real-time motion and sound alerts and theft-deterrent alarm. Listen and talk to visitors with a built-in half-duplex anti-noise system to filter ambient noise. And secure data privacy and data storage. Multiple security protocols to keep our data and privacy secure. We continuous or motion detection recording options. The micro SD card, which is sold separately, or we can use the cloud services by subscription services. We can store the videos on it. Or we are going to store the videos on our smartphone. That's possible too, but only live. 12 infrared light LEDs provides the crisp night vision with a range up to 50 feet. We keep whatever out there at bay. Nooie was created from love, with love, and to love. They are on a mission to simplify and refine our life with warm tech and to make smart living more accessible to all. Nothing is important than safety. That's why they introduced the Nooie Cam Outdoor, to help us keep an eye on loved ones while protecting our home at all times. The Nooie Cam Outdoor is the best choice for those who want a style outdoor security cam that doesn't sacrifice features for the budget. Motion and sound detection. We get real-time alerts wherever we are when motion or sound is detected 24/7 in live streaming. And superior night vision. 12 infrared LEDs provide a clear, crisp picture up to 50 feet, even when it's pitch black. And unlimited sharing. We share access to live streaming and video recording to keep a close eye on our business or on our home. And it's really easy plug and play installation. We download the Nooie app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. We create an account and then we add the device. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant. And we have a broader view of 107 degrees field of view with 4mm focal length. The camera base rotates 360 degrees around its axis and 80 degrees vertically. And theft-deterrent alert. Warn intruders with theft-deterrent alarm and capture incidents with continuous or motion detection records options. We report pirates. Never miss a package or have one missing with motion alert, two-way audio and alarm siren, 1080p Full HD, two-way audio, motion detection and alarm siren. It's built in to stand the weather. It can take the heat, the cold and everything in between. It delivers flawless pictures whatever the weather is. Nothing gets by out. Store footage on our secure cloud or on our own microSD card. Then we want the review whenever we want, cloud or card. Then let's make it easier. No electricians or contracting required. Just affix the stable to the wall, plug in high definition visual with intelligent images to deliver incredible crisp and accurate image in any weather condition. Gamma correction, dynamic noise reduction on board. 127.5 to 68.5 to 68.5 millimeters size, 295 gram. The field of view is 107 degrees. The resolution is 1080p with 15 frames. The IR night vision 50 meter, that's of nearly 50 feet. The power source is a DC 5-volt 1 ampere. The Wi-Fi is 802.11 PG and 2.4 GHz. It does not support 5. And microSD cards class 6 or above from 4 GB to 128. Or you can use the cloud, compatible to Android and iOS systems. This is the really cool Nooie security cam for outdoor.
Now let's hear about the sound quality which this Nooie Cam Outdoor can deliver, or it is not deliver. It is get this sound, because now I'm around about 1.5 feet away from a Nooie Cam Outdoor, and you can hear me now. What I can communicate with you with the Nooie Cam. It is a basic thing, of course. It is, but it is enough to communicate with the other side, and this you can make via the app or by using Alexa all over the world, by the internet, of course. And so you can control and you can communicate with your household, with your garage, with your patio, with your garden, where you like to install that. You can communicate because there's a two-way audio. You can hear me in front of the cam and you can communicate via the cam with me now in real time. The Nooie Cam for outdoor use. Really awesome pictures and movies. The sound is okay, but this, I think, is not the important thing of such a security cam. The best thing on the security cam is the pictures and how to use it, and this is good in the Nooie Cam setup. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.